As long as poverty, injustice, and stark inequality persist in our world, none of us can truly rest. Nelson Mandela. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Honorable Judges of Pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi 2023, ladies and gentlemen, I am Khoirul Fahmi, your outstanding student at Muhammadiyah University of North Sumatera, standing here for all of you to deliver my speech about SDGs number 1, no poverty. Dear Honorable Judges, ladies and gentlemen, did you know that the proportion of poverty in our country is still relatively high? Yes, the Central Statistic Agency notes that the proportion of poverty in Indonesia in 2022 will reach 26 million people, or around 9.57%. Of the total proportion, there are 3 provinces with the highest proportion of poverty, namely Papua, West Papua, and East Nusa Tenggara. Papua is now the poorest province in Indonesia, with a collapse rate of 26%, or 936,000 people. Honorable Judges, ladies and gentlemen, economic inequality is the main factor causing the high poverty rate in several regions in our country, Indonesia. The low level of public awareness in implementing local natural resources and the poor standard of living of the people add to the list of reasons for the high poverty rate in several regions in Indonesia. The impact of this problem is the highest of unemployment number, the low quality of health service and education. Honorable Judges, ladies and gentlemen, poverty is the most important problem around the world. Aristotle, a Greek philosopher, said that poverty is the mother of revolution and crime. Social inequality between the rich and the poor people is the oldest and the most lethal of all diseases in the world. So, by this problem, what should we do to eradicate poverty in Indonesia? Honorable Judges, ladies and gentlemen, various efforts has been made by the government to prevent the increased poverty number in our country, Indonesia. The government has carried out various programs, such as the Family Hub program, community health insurance, and the education assistance programs. The government has also issued a prosperous family card, which serves as a card maker for persons with social welfare problems for the less people. Recipients of this card are entitled to basic food assistance worth 200,000 rupiah every month to spend at the e-warung using a BNI ATM debit card. Honorable Judges, ladies and gentlemen, to alleviate the problem of poverty in Indonesia, I invite to all of you, as a younger generation today, together we can make several efforts, such as, first, procurement of aid that is right on target. In this case, comprehensive data collection is needed so that all social aspects of society can be ensured that their lives are guaranteed. Second, create jobs. In this case, employers and job creators and government can maximize domestic workers and reduce the overseas workers. Third, improve the quality of education. Of course, to create a rich society, a rich mindset is also needed. If the quality of education has been internalized to all levels of society, it will present superior and productive societies. These efforts can prevent the increase of the poverty rates in our country, Indonesia. Honorable Judges, ladies and gentlemen, finally, we can do improvement efforts starting from ourselves. So, I'm Khoirul Fahmi, invite to all of you, together, we build a good mindset, strong spirit, and unlimited will. I believe we can overcome poverty together. And the last, we are beautiful when we try. We are strong when we are together. Stop poverty, optimize the quality of existing resources in Indonesia. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.